शादी कर लो, अगले साल तुम 29 की हो जाओगी ना। तुम्हारी एज में तो मेरे 2 बच्चे हो गए थे। कब कर रही हो शादी? घर पे ही बैठी रहोगी कि शादी भी करोगी? Have you wondered these type of questions make someone feel anxiety or a pressure? So today I'm not here to complain. I'm not here to blame my parents, my relatives or society. I'm here because I want to say something that I have been holding inside me very long time. Maybe very long time, because I don't need pressure, I need trust. Before we go any further, let me make one thing very clear. I want to get married. I want family. I'm not against marriage. I dream about having my own family. I dream about finding someone I can grow old with, laugh with, someone I can build a life with. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं किसी से भी शादी कर लूँ. Just because my age is increasing doesn't mean I should lower my standard and ignore my peace. Whenever someone say age nikal rahi hai, I smile. I answer politely. But inside it is completely different story. Sometimes I get irritated, sometimes I get angry, and sometimes the pressure becomes so loud I actually think यार कर ही लेती हूँ शादी. Not because I found the right person, but because I want to question to stop. Think about that for a second. Imagine making one of the biggest decisions of your life because someone won't stop asking you about it. People often think we are delaying marriage because we are too picky or because we don't care, but that's not the truth. At least not for me. I tried. I believed people. I invested in relationship. I given my time. I given my emotions, and honestly those experience taught me lesson I never asked for. Sometimes I feel relationship में effort डाल के I myself. I become so busy trying to make things work out that somewhere along the way I forget to work on myself. Today I am 28 and for the first time I am choosing myself. I am choosing me. I am building myself, my career, my confidence, my peace, my dream because I truly believe परफेक्ट पार्टनर ढूंढने से पहले परफेक्ट खुद को बनना पड़ेगा. और अब परफेक्ट बनने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, इंसान अच्छा बनना पड़ेगा. फॉर मी, सो डू यू नो वट हर्ट मी द मोस्ट? इट्स नॉट द क्वेश्चन, इट्स द फीलिंग दैट पीपल डोंट ट्रस्ट योर डिसीजन. इमेजिन इफ इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग शादी कब करोगी, सिंपली दे विल से बेटा जब तेरा मन करे, जब तुझे लगे तब तू शादी कर, हम तेरे साथ हैं. बिलीव मी, half of the pressure disappear on that one moment. Because supports give you strength, pressure only gives you anxiety. And I want to mention some people in my life, some loved ones in my life, in my family only there are those people. They always say तेरा जब मन करे, जब तुझे लगे यू आर रेडी फॉर द मैरिज, जब तुझे लगे द पर्सन इज राइट फॉर यू, देन यू विल गेट गो एंड गेट मैरिड. सो मतलब आई रियली वॉन्ट टू लाइक से दोज पीपल who they are pressuring their children to get married, don't say go मतलब तुम्हारी एज हो गई है शादी कर लो. सिंपली से what kind of person you need and तुम क्या सोच रहे हो, पहले उनसे बात तो करो. उनकी लाइफ का इतना बड़ा डिसीजन तुम ले रहे हो. ओके, यू हैव ऑल द राइट, बट उनका भी राइट है अपनी चीज़ें बोलने का, पूछो उनसे. If they don't want to get married, why? Ask them. प्रेशर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे भेड़ चाल नहीं है. शादी उम्र हो गई है तो शादी करो, right? So yeah, so because those people who supported me, because they didn't give me pressure, they gave me trust, and sometimes the exactly what the person need. I have stopped asking God, please send me the perfect partner. Now my prayer is different. भगवान जी मुझे perfect नहीं चाहिए, मुझे better बना दीजिए. Because when I'm becoming the best version of myself, I will naturally be ready for the right relationship too. So, if you are a parent, a relative, or someone who genuinely love the people around you, I have one small request. The next time you meet someone who is unmarried, don't ask शादी कब कर रही हो. Instead of ask तुम खुश हो, और अगर तुम्हें शादी करनी है तो तुम्हें कैसा पार्टनर चाहिए. Because maybe they are already trying, maybe they are healing, maybe they are waiting for the right person, maybe they are becoming the person they are meant to be, and they don't need another reminder that they are getting older. उन्होंने सिर्फ इतना सुनना है, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. Because pressure makes people rush. Trust gives people the courage to choose wisely. उन्हें सिर्फ इतना सुनना है, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. Okay? Yes. And if you ask me, I choose trust every single time. I hope you like this video, and I hope आपको समझ में आया कि मैं क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ, क्या मैसेज देना चाह रही हूँ. For those people who are dealing with these type of things, please share this video. Those who are struggling the same, and as जितने पेरेंट्स पे, जितने रिलेटिव्स के पास आप ये वीडियोस भेज सकते हैं, drop there a link, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.